rock, bro?
You know what? I gotta ask.
Can we see the crowd?
Lady or gentleman that might be being the LD tonight.
Yeah, they are.
Just want to see as much of the crowd as we possibly can. Because we started out, it was daylight. We could see you. Now I can't see you anymore. Just leave those up the whole time. I know people in the back are like, ah.
We were backstage. We were backstage, and he goes, "It's only gonna be dark. It's only gonna be dark for the last 2 songs." I was like, "I don't think so. I think it's gonna get dark before that."
No, but we wanted to make sure that we could see everybody tonight. Let's play some rock and roll.
I'm ready, dude. Would you like them to participate now that you can see them?
I'll tell you what. I think that'd be a great idea.
I think so too.
Whoever the LD is, don't lighten up on the lights.
Let us
make
see
sure we
that
see
crowd.
the audience. Okay. Now, if you need to sit down for the next song, we totally understand. It is getting a little cold. It might be time to stand up, maybe get the blood moving. But
Yeah.
all I'm going to request of everybody is shake it off a little bit. Shake it off. It's okay. You know. Get loose. Get loose.
Stand up and take your clothes off.
Don't do anything that he says. Don't do one thing he says. Just listen to me.
When I was first starting out, they said the audience should be naked, and that makes you feel more comfortable.
Who said that?
Oh no, sorry. It was picture yourself.
Picture yourself naked when you have like a high school report to like do in front of an audience when you're like speaking to them. This is clearly not
I
that.
like my idea better, honestly, but keep going.
Slowly off the rails. Just follow me, okay? Shake it off. Maestro. Hands up! Under attack, always coming at last, bringing up the past. No one owes you anything. I think you need a shotgun blast, a kick in the ass, so paranoid. What? That's right. Oh my, here we go, another loose cannon down bipolar, slip down, couldn't get much lower. Quicksand's got no sense of humor. I'm still laughing like hell. You think that I'm crying to me, looking so sorry that you can't believe you've been affected by social disease.
Take your medicine!
'Cause I created the sound of madness, wrote the book on pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with a gun, but when you gotta wake up and hide. Listen. Cause I'm so sick of this tombstone mentality. There's an afterlife for me to set you free, but I'm not gonna prophecy your self-fulfilling prophecy. You think that I'm crying to me, looking so sorry that you gotta believe you've been affected by social disease. Well, take your medicine. 'Cause I created the sound of madness, wrote the book on pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night. And you can sleep with a gun, but when you gotta wake up and hide. I created the sound of madness, wrote the book on pain. Somehow we're still here to explain that the darkest